Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to determine the exact number of files stored in a Google Drive folder. For this example, I'll move this file into this folder and then open it up. I am also going to create a new folder here, just so we have more items to work with. Now, I'll demonstrate how to quickly view the file count. While it's obvious there are 2 files here, this is essential when dealing with hundreds of documents. There are 2 primary methods to achieve this. First, click on the top file, hold down the Shift key, and then select the very last file in the list. Once highlighted, the total number of selected items will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. For an even faster approach, simply click inside the folder and press Command or Ctrl+A on your keyboard. As you can see, it immediately shows that 2 items are selected. Another way is to click and drag your cursor over the files. A blue circle will appear indicating the count of the items you are currently holding. These are the best ways to manage your file counts easily. If you found this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. I'll see you in the next tutorial.